Hey bitches, welcome back to another Gabriel Henrique reaction. I know you guys told me to react to his performance of Believe that he recently uploaded the last video on his channel, but I want to hear Fly Like a Bird because that sounds like a much more impressive performance, at least what I think it would be more impressive. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Subscribe to my channel, tell me what else to react to from him, and let's get this. Girl, why did this quality drop like a freaking rock in the ocean? What the hell happened? Go back, we're not continuing without this. The only person who sang this song good was Mariah herself in the studio and Morissette Amon. I'd never heard anybody else sing this, and I searched for the covers. Nobody else was really good. Really lovely. That was really well executed. Love the tone. It's just great. Let's go.
Somehow I know that there's a place up above. We know my heart is struggling. Free of all atrocities and suffering. Because I feel that
ooh, that run.
Love for one who cares enough for me. True it is in my birthday, let me be free too.
You know what? Let me repeat these 30 seconds because they were freaking stunning, okay? Let me just repeat them. I need to hear that again because everything about it was so fluid and quick and precise and just great. Lovely. That's so lovely.
You by my side, sunlight is life. Can't be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home.
Girl, if he don't stop riffing and running, I'm gonna cut my own head off because this is insanity. The way he does it is just absolutely masterful. It just sounds so great and so perfect. It's flawless, like flawless. I cannot deal with it. He's singing this song like it's his own so far. Jesus, oh my god, Jesus, help me survive this. This is so freaking good. It's so sweet. My favorite Mariah song, I believe, is Anytime You Need a Friend. I will think that's my favorite one. Then Fly Like a Bird, Can't Let Go, no, or Can't, something like, oh, I can't remember. Like a few of her songs are in my top, but Anytime You Need a Friend is my favorite one from her. This one is very close there, and I love hearing people cover this. Usually they fail, except Morissette, and now him so far. Let's continue.
I need you right here by my side. Keep your head up.
God damn it, how high did he get up there so easily? Jesus Christ, oh my lord, let me go again.
Keep your head up.
What nose is that? Is that like a D or C? Whoa, The head voice is so freaking strong and precise, just so beautiful, great, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular. The freaking belt was lovely. The vibrato was stunning. You better come down like that and make it soft. Oh my god, again. I will go ahead and I don't know. I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say. This was absolute amazement. If you ask me, this is absolute amazement. Everything about this was just phenomenal. It's absolutely phenomenal. I really couldn't, like, I couldn't look at him. I had to zone out. Everything was fantastic. Oh my god. I just sometimes you hear somebody and you can't fathom the amount of talent that they possess. Like, you really can't, or the skill that they have to teach themselves, or to have it just naturally as their talent. It's born in them. It's absolutely amazing and stunning, and I want everything about this, how he sang it, the way he sang it, the pronunciation, even his accent was good, the belting, the height of his belts, the openness of the voice, the power, the technique, the freaking runs that were just everywhere all around this freaking song. The head voice, the freaking whistle that was so like rounded and circular, and just absolutely like smacking you because it's so beautiful and it's so open and it just sounds great. I don't know. I need to stop recording this, by the way. Stop screen recording. I don't know what I will be listening to this like over and over and over again, because it's absolute amazement. It really is. So guys, thank you so much for being here. I love the choice that I made to react to this, and I don't care. I absolutely love this. If you guys are not watching this reaction, you are missing out. So thank you for being here. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope I'll see you in the next video, and do tell me what else to react to from him, okay? So be there. Thank you. Bye.